Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see this older model Chrysler Pacifica, right? '06 model, guys. Remember, little history. The Pacifica that you're hearing about today is basically the minivan. All right, the newer model minivan, okay? But the name Pacifica, the Chrysler Pacifica, was previously launched as an earlier version back, I want to say between '04 and '08. All right, and that's this body style right here. Now, this is a '06 model, but it's in for transmission problem, and I have to scan it. However, my typical way of scanning vehicles with the new technology, the white tech that we use, it's not working, guys. So there's another piece of machine I have to use, either a DRB or a DRB simulator, software based. All right, I don't want to drag my big DRB out. It's not working right, so I'm gonna use my simulator software to scan this thing. Now, you can tell I don't know this by heart, because as of right now I have my new technology tool, the white tech in here. All right, so yeah, this is not working. I have to go with, I have my computer in here because I'm gonna use my computer to, I have to go with the older white tech YPod 1. All right, so I had to pull up a piece of software, and I'm gonna pull up what we call the DRB simulator software, basically simulating the DRB3. Y'all heard of the DRB3, right? That is the best tool you can use for older model Chrysler products, bar none. Okay, yes. Now, in this instance, because I'm hardwired, sometimes you don't have to be connected to the internet, which is a good thing, because I don't really want to tie in my phone and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna pull up the white tech software and see. And guys, please don't get on and ask me where you get the software. You got to have a subscription to do this stuff, okay? I mean, this ain't stuff that they just sell, you know what I'm saying, on the streets. Yeah, this is now that, because this is a '06 models, you do not have to have high top fancy stuff, okay? A typical scan tool probably would reveal the codes you need, because remember, all car makers have to let you be able to see P codes, and any transmission codes in here likely would be a P code because it affects emissions. Okay, connect. So let me see if it pull up. I'm trying to pull up the DR. Yes, this is basically a DRB from a software standpoint. All right, same thing, guys. It's basically a simulator. I'm simulating the DRB. This is the same screen I would be using had I had my hardware. Okay, DRB standalone. The exact same thing. Okay, but instead I'm using my computer. There, we're gonna go with all. We're gonna go with engine. It's gonna scan the computers. Oh, I need the key on. Oh, why didn't I do that? Now it's gonna take a while. Okay, come on. I'm sorry, computer. I should have had the key on. All right. Oh, okay. See, it tells you 0635, 3.5 V6, guys. It has a timing belt. So if you're over 100,000 miles, make sure you stay on top of your timing belt game. Enter. Let me go down to DTCs. Let's see what we got. Read DTCs. Now, it may be okay, I got a P0522 oil pressure sensor. It may be a separate, I don't know this one by heart. So let me see if there's a separate. I'm having transmission issue. It may be a separate module. No, I think this one, see, transmission T case. What happened if I go down to 2? Let's pick 2. Transmission module. It may be the same as the PCM. Some models, the PCM and the TCM are the same unit. NGC, next generation controller. Okay, so if it does not pick up anything on its own with the TCM, that means it's incorporated into the PCM, which there was no transmission codes in the PCM. Now, that doesn't mean there's no problem, guys. You got to get out of the habit of thinking like that. Well, it wasn't no code, must not be no problem. With anything transmission related, okay, I'm into something transmission. Let me see. First thing you need to do, guys, is check the fluid. And this is a '06 model, so the chances of this having a dipstick and a dipstick tube is great. Let's go read DTC. See what we got. All right. Come on, baby. Spit it out. No response from the TCM. That means it's not a separate TCM on them. All right, so the transmission diagnostic will have to be done the old-fashioned way. Yes, when I mean old-fashioned way, when I say old-fashioned way, I mean that. So I'm going to go ahead and check the fluid. If the fluid is full, no matter the condition, if it's full, I may go test drive to see if I can duplicate it. But depending on the condition and the level of the fluid will dictate if I even decide to go test drive this thing. But for now, let's go take a peek at the fluid, guys. All right, y'all ready? Man, let's get it. Whoa, right off the bat. Whoa. So guys, the fluid is brown and it smells burnt. Okay, this transmission has internal problems. Now looking at this transmission, y'all see that? This is a 41TE, the 4-speed transmission, guys. Yes, we are not into repairing anything this age, this old, and with this type with condition of the fluid being the way it is now. All right, so y'all guessed it. I mean, there's really no further I can go. Think about what I'm saying, guys. The fluid is burnt. Okay, I know a lot of y'all, that's all you're gonna do? Guys, I mean, your time is valuable. There's no sense in going any further. Yeah, I'm gonna go test drive it. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna go test drive it. But it doesn't matter. The estimate is gonna include a transmission assembly. This is an 06 model, 41TE. You can't hardly get parts for it. The only other option, the best option, is a complete unit. All right, and I'm gonna have to flush the cooler, or either they may even make me replace the cooler. Recommend that also. All right, so you got to be careful when you're dealing with customers, paying customers. A lot of you guys are DIY guys, and y'all will incorporate the way y'all think to the way I think, or guys in a shop think. It's totally different, guys.